play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe. 4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
The power of first impressions, making every moment count. In today's fast-paced world, first impressions are paramount. Those initial few seconds can make all the difference. Quick judgments based on appearance have a lasting impact. Think about the last time you met someone new. Chances are their appearance played a significant role. Did they appear confident and approachable? Or did they seem disheveled and uninterested? Our outward appearance speaks volumes. A well-crafted exterior is powerful. Just as a resume opens doors, a polished appearance paves the way for success. Present yourself in a way that reflects your personality and aspirations. Understand the importance of first impressions and navigate the world with confidence. You only get one chance to make a first impression, so make it count. Dressing to impress: how clothes make the man. They say clothes make the man, and I couldn't agree more. The way we dress has a profound impact on how we see ourselves and how others perceive us. It's about more than just covering our bodies. It's about expressing our individuality, boosting our confidence, and commanding respect. Consider the classic image of a man in a well-tailored suit. He exudes an air of confidence, sophistication, and authority. His clothing choices signal that he takes pride in his appearance and pays attention to detail. Now imagine that same man in a wrinkled t-shirt and baggy sweatpants. The message he conveys is entirely different, suggesting a lack of care and attention. The right clothing can be transformative, enhancing our best features and helping us project the image we want to portray to the world. It's about understanding the subtle nuances of style, color, and fit to create a cohesive and impactful look that reflects our personality and goals. Whether you're aiming for a casual, professional, or edgy aesthetic, the key is to choose clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. When you feel good about how you look, it shows in your demeanor, your posture, and your overall presence. Trend-setting style from classic to cutting edge. The world of men's fashion is a dynamic and ever-evolving landscape offering endless possibilities for self-expression. From timeless classics to cutting-edge trends, there's a style for every taste and personality. The key is to experiment, explore different aesthetics, and find what resonates with your individual style. For those who appreciate a more timeless and refined aesthetic, classic pieces like a well-tailored suit, a crisp white shirt, and a pair of leather Oxfords never go out of style. These wardrobe staples exude sophistication and versatility, effortlessly transitioning from the office to evening events. To add a touch of personality, experiment with different tie patterns, pocket squares, or subtle accessories. On the other end of the spectrum, men who embrace a more modern and edgy style can experiment with bold prints, statement jackets, and distressed denim. The key here is to balance these eye-catching pieces with more understated basics to create a cohesive and stylish look. Don't be afraid to push boundaries and experiment with different textures, colors, and silhouettes to find what makes you feel confident and stylish. Remember, fashion is not about blindly following trends, but about finding what works for you and expressing your unique personality through your clothing choices.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. Will help your son, and your mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Section 4. The perfect fit, tailoring confidence and presence. No matter how stylish or expensive your clothes may be, if they don't fit properly, they'll never look their best. A poor fit can ruin the entire look, making you appear sloppy and uncomfortable. A well-fitted garment can instantly elevate your appearance, making you look taller, slimmer, and more put together. The key to achieving the perfect fit is to pay attention to the details. Consider the fit across the shoulders, chest, waist, and length. If you're struggling to find clothes that fit off the rack, enlist the help of a tailor. A well-fitted garment not only enhances your appearance, but also boosts your confidence. Section 5. Finding your signature style, a journey of self-expression. Developing a signature style is an exciting journey of self-discovery and expression. It's about curating a wardrobe that reflects your personality, values, and aspirations. It's not about conforming to trends or imitating others, but about creating a unique look that sets you apart from the crowd. Start by taking inspiration from your interests, hobbies, and lifestyle. Are you drawn to classic menswear, streetwear, or something in between? What colors, patterns, and textures make you feel confident and comfortable? Once you have a general idea of your style direction, start experimenting with different pieces and outfits to see what works best for you. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. You might be surprised at what you discover about yourself and your personal style. Remember, fashion is a form of self-expression, so have fun with it and don't take it too seriously. As you refine your signature style, you'll develop a keen eye for detail and a better understanding of what works for your body type and personal preferences. You'll learn to curate a wardrobe that reflects your unique personality and makes you feel confident and stylish in any situation.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Play with more than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, build your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family.